After thoroughly enjoying our time in Portugal, where we spent 48 hours in romantic Porto and 48 hours soaking up the sunshine, spectacular views, and most importantly, time with my daughter and son-in-law in the Algarve, it's time to head off to London, where we've got, you guessed it, 48 hours. Okay.
Hello.
Hello from London. Well, we are in Gatwick.
That was a terrible British accent, by the way.
Oh, that was his attempt at a British accent.
Bad.
Not good. So
we're
yeah,
looking
we made
for
it
the
to
tube.
Gatwick. Yeah.
That's still equally bad.
Yeah, we're looking for the tube.
We're in Gatwick. We've got to go to London, so it's going to take us about an hour and 30 minutes of transfers and train rides and mistakes and turnarounds and figuring out how to buy tickets.
All right, so we're going to figure it out.
But it was an easy flight. It was
super easy.
Super
British
easy
Airways,
to get out of Portugal.
Thumbs up to British Airways.
Yep, super fast.
All right.
All worked out great. We better pay attention now.
Yeah, we don't know where we're going, so off to find where we're going. Yeah.
And we just walked right past the exit.
Because we were talking to you.
Because we were busy talking.
Yeah.
By the way, we're still too chicken to try to film before immigration. We did it afterwards.
Yeah. We didn't want to get in trouble.
But we're going through customs now.
Okay, bye.
Anything to declare?
Nothing to declare.
Nothing to declare.
Except my love for you.
Oh.
Okay, question for all of you. Does anybody buy stuff here in the duty-free shops? Like, I never know. Is it a good deal? Should we do it? Should I be buying a bottle of wine here? I don't know.
This bottle of Kraken is $30 US. Okay. Where in the States, it would be 20 for that bottle.
Yeah, so I don't know. We think it's more expensive, but comment below if you actually buy stuff at the duty-free.
Pick up cars, check in,
you can tell it's Christmas
train station.
It is just before Christmas, and it's kind of nice going through all these airports with their Christmas decorations. We've enjoyed that. Okay, well, that was not exactly the most straightforward thing in the world. Figuring out which train. And,
there are so many options.
Yeah, too many choices. Too many choices.
Expresses, not expresses, pay for a full day pass. Is it better than a 7-day pass?
We think
we're going to be traveling more, or do you just pay at the stops that you go through? So we are trying the pay as we go.
And we think we figured it out.
See how that works out.
So we'll see.
Yes, we did actually find our way, and the pay-as-you-go system worked great. We highly recommend that. After a couple of transfers and ascending from the underground, we were treated to the lovely hustle and bustle of London. Beautiful lights, lots of people, and of course, a British pub. And this was a first for us. A mini lift. I used to call them a dumb waiter. I don't know if you actually can do that anymore. Where the bartender used it to send drinks up to the second floor patrons. So nobody had to go up there. And of course, a little chill time before a busy day tomorrow.
All right, what's our plan today?
All right, our plan, it's a big walking plan. So we can do as much of it or as little of it as we want to do, but we're starting in Leicester Square is where we are.
You said that pretty well, actually.
Not Leicester, Leicester Square. And we're going to walk down to the Westminster Bridge so we can see Big Ben, Westminster Abbey. We won't go in and tour those, but then we're going to do what's called the South River Walk, something like that.
Cool.
And that is going to take us along a bunch of sites, ultimately to a place where we're going to eat that is called the Borough Market.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Beautiful morning, keeping me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of morning. It's the natural feeling that you're making through. I have barely begun moving as I am out through seas unknown. Don't break no promises.
Okay, I'll tell you what, no matter how many times we've been here, it is just always so impressive.
It's very,
it's just incredible.
Yes.
You can see the eye?
the eye.
Eye behind us.
And the River Thames.
And then, of course, street, the Parliament building.
Parliament.
And as soon as that van moves, you can see a really pretty view of the
and then
river.
the van will just pull right in its place.
Yeah,
There they go. Awesome.
yeah, very, very pretty.
There it goes. 10 times.
Big Ben, 10 rings.
Nine.
That's 6, 7,
Oh, I thought that was 10.
8.
It's so slow and deliberate. It's hard for that guy to pull that rope.
10. All right, well, here we are on the Thames River. Incredible. As many times as we've been to London,
Which has been quite a few.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It never ceases to amaze me.
No.
Yeah.
Because you go away for a few years, and then when you come back to it, you just it's awe-inspiring again. It's just every corner you turn around, there's something historical to see. There's something that we hear about just about every day.
It's just amazing.
From an architecture standpoint, a building, just a society standpoint that is so cool, and it's fun to be in the middle of it. It never gets old.
And we really only have about 48 hours here this time, but there is a lot you can see in 48 hours, and that is what we're doing. Even though it's in the dead of winter, it's a little cold. Excuse my sniffles because it's a little cold out here, but we're super excited to be here.
Yeah, it was we had 48 hours in Porto, we had 48 hours down in the Algarve, we'll have 48 hours here in London, we're gonna have 48 hours coming up in Prague. We're gonna have another 2 days in Budapest, and then a couple, probably 2 more days in Vienna as well. So,
stay tuned if you want to see all that. It's pretty exciting. Okay, here we are in the, what garden is this?
This is the Jubilee Garden.
Jubilee Garden. They have most of it roped off, but it's just stunning. I mean, okay, let's talk about London for just a minute. We both have been here several times, so it's not new to us, but I will say every time I am amazed by it.
Absolutely, yeah. When you're coming here, once every 10 years, once every 15 years?
Right.
Once every 10 years.
5.
You forget what it's like.
You do.
And then when you come back here, it's just awe. It's just
really appreciate
the history. We don't see this in America, that's for sure.
No, you don't.
Such a said a million times. But
and again, we really only have 48 hours this time to sort of explore stuff. So we're just doing this beautiful walk, even though it is a chilly winter day. But man, you still can take it all in. So love it.
It's amazing. Every corner you turn, there's something to just to be in amazement of.
Yeah. So very cool.
Yep.
Love it. All right, let's keep going.
Okay. Smells like stale beer.
You keep walking right in front.
Which smells really good. Wow.
And it looks like we found it. Pretty cool.
It's all a bunch of street food so far.
So yeah, it's street food. That's very cool. We've never been here.
Look at all the people sitting up.
As many times as we've been to London, we have not been here. So wow,
this is
cool.
heaven.
Pretty packed. All right, we're gonna go find some good stuff.
I wish you could smell this.
Oh, it's incredible.
It's awesome. Oh, look at those lobster.
Okay, that's the biggest paella I've ever seen.
That's right, guys.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good? Oh, thank you.
Oh, that was good.
Oh.
Awesome.
Look at the lobster tail sitting over there.
And you all know by now, my weakness, bread. Oh, the bread. Look at that. Oh. Pretty sure I found where I'm eating lunch. The bread place. And Paul found the most important spot. The toilets. Okay, I have to come look at the spices though. I love me some good spices. Oh, interesting. Raspberry powder, fruit powder. Interesting flavors. Look at all. Oh my goodness. Wow. So fabulous. I'll tell you what, if we were not traveling full time, I'd be buying everything here.
Morning. Try a little bit of cheese.
And with bellies full and warm hands and feet, we made our way back to our place, admiring once again the bridges.
This is the Millennium Bridge. Very cool.
London Bridge is right there. It's over there. The beautiful buildings, the people, and of course, the Hippodrome Casino and all of its history. And if you don't know about it, you should look it up because I found it pretty interesting. Then more treats. And finally, Chinatown.
All right.
Dim sum.
Dim sum. Their specialty. Oops. Turn around. You're supposed to poke a hole in it, let the water out. We're going to put a little ginger sauce type of thing on it. We're going to let it sit there and marinate.
We gotta eat it.
Well, you gotta let it marinate.
He's gotta let it sit.
I'll come back. Well, I'll drink a beer. And I'm letting it marinate for a little bit.
And?
That's really good. Really good.
And I have noodles with chicken and shrimp. And we had to cap off the night with one more pub for good measure, with, of course, Guinness. Our final day had me doing some much needed laundry and a bit of work, and just enough time for a quick haircut, which, wow, did I need. While Paul headed out in the beautiful streets of London again to soak up some one-of-a-kind art at a couple of free museums, the London National Gallery and the British Museum. Okay, we're leaving London. And guess what?
Fun trip.
It's a sunny day.
Yeah.
Look, like seriously, the sun is shining.
Yeah, we got a lot of rain yesterday,
Yeah.
but that's what you expect this time of year.
It is, of course. But we are going to get on our Christmas cruise. So, beautiful day to start that. And that was how we spent 48 hours in London.
Yeah.
Simply fabulous.